अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। यूट्यूब के चैनल गाइड टू लर्निंग इंग्लिश में आपका खैर मकदम है। मैं हूं मोहम्मद शहाबुद्दीन एक नई वीडियो के साथ। दोस्तों, जैसा कि आप सभी हजरात अच्छी तरह जानते हैं कि 15 अगस्त आने वाला है, यानी 74वां इंडिपेंडेंस डे। इसलिए आपकी खिदमत में 15 अगस्त के ताल्लुक से एक शॉर्ट इंग्लिश स्पीच यानी मुख्तसर अंग्रेजी तकरीर पेश कर रहा हूं, ताकि आप लोगों में से जिसको कहीं बोलने की ज़रूरत हो वो कुछ यहाँ से बोल सके और इंग्लिश स्पीच दे सके। और सबसे अहम बात यह है कि आपको राइट प्रोनाउंसिएशन यानी करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी मालूम हो जाएगा, दुरुस्त तलफ़ुज़ क्या है। बहुत ही शानदार वीडियो है। वीडियो के एंड में हमने ये भी बताया है कि ये पूरी स्पीच आपको कहाँ मिलेगी, तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Dear fellow citizens, I take this opportunity to offer you my heartiest greetings on the eve of our 74th Independence Day. This is a happy and emotional day for all of our country fellows, whether living at home or abroad. On this auspicious day, we remember with gratitude the countless freedom fighters and revolutionaries who struggled, strived, and made heroic sacrifices to win us our freedom from colonial rule. Independence is an honor and a great gift. Thanks to the great sacrifices made by our leaders, we are a free and independent nation of the world. We have made progress in science, astronomy, agriculture, medicine, arts, and architecture. Our soldiers are brave and bold. Thanks to them, we are enjoying freedom today. Our enemies fear us and the world respects us. No doubt, as a free land and free nation, we have made profound progress in various fields. But this free land is still surrounded by a host of problems. We are facing many issues today, like the issues of racial and geographical prejudice, youth unemployment, poverty, underdevelopment of rural areas, and many more. Thus, it would be more appropriate to say that our Independence Day is a moment for introspection, taking stock of our country's journey and the trees with destiny that began on August 15, 1947. On this event, we must remember the sacrifices given by both our Muslim and non-Muslim leaders like Ashfaqullah Khan, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Haider Ali and Tipu Sultan, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Shah Waliullah Muhaddis Dehlavi and his disciples, Shah Abdul Aziz Muhaddis Dehlavi, Haji Imdadullah Makki, Shaykhul Hind Hazrat Maulana Mahmud Hassan Deobandi, Maulana Ubaidullah Sindhi, Hazrat Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madni, Maulana Ataullah Shah Bukhari, Maulana Sanaullah Amritsari, Maulana Kifayatullah Dehlavi Rahimahumullah, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, and many more. Muslims, the largest minority in India, are neither less Indian nor less patriot. But the irony is that most of the times they have to undergo a patriotism test. As a proof of love towards country, madrasas are asked to host trickles and record on video and to have it exhibited before educational officials. Like any other citizen of India, we have been celebrating Independence Day since independence, but the names of our freedom fighters also have been erased from the history. While the fact is that we are Indian and India is our country, like any other communities of the country, we love living here. Respected fellow citizens, however, what we have got today is not enough. There are still a lot of problems and issues that we have to solve. We have to fight against poverty, literacy, youth unemployment, and communal violence. We have to spread awareness and knowledge to every corner of our country. Dear brothers and sisters, on this day, we have to make a promise with our land that we will define the honor and integrity of our land in every situation. We will work hard to bring success in every field. We have to make India strong and powerful among all nations. Let's unite and work hard for our goals. With unity, we will surely achieve our goals. The day is not far when India will be the most powerful country in the world. That's all. Thank you. दोस्तों, आपको बताता चलूं कि ये तकरीर माय बिलवेड टीचर हैत मौलाना अरशद खान اشاعتی ڈائریکٹر اینڈ لیکچرر مرکز اسلامی ایجوکیشن اینڈ ریسرچ سینٹر انکلیشور گجرات انڈیا کی لکھی ہوئی ہے۔ یہ پوری اسپیچ ڈسکرپشن میں دے دی گئی ہے، آپ وہاں سے حاصل کر سکتے ہیں۔ اور اگر ویڈیو آپ کو پسند آئی ہو تو ہمارے چینل کو لائک کریں، سبسکرائب کریں اور زیادہ سے زیادہ شیئر کریں۔